Welcome back to Land Rover London. My name is Juan, one of the sales consultants here today, and we're talking about the Land Rover InControl app. Now, the Land Rover InControl apps enables you to use vehicle-optimized smartphone applications on your Range Rover touchscreen, delivering a host of connectivity features. Visit the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store to search for the Land Rover InControl apps. Install and open the app, and QuickStart Guide will provide a brief overview of the feature. You must complete this guide and accept user agreements before you can connect your handset to your vehicle. Once complete, this guide can be located again through the menu in the app to stream audio from a smartphone. You'll need to pair your device to your vehicle's Bluetooth system. If InControl Apps is not already open on your smartphone, a prompt will be displayed on your handset to enable the connection. Next, press the InControl App soft key on the touchscreen. Once connected, if your smartphone is not already in the current audio source, you'll see two options: View and Listen. Select View if you wish to view and use the apps on the touchscreen. Select View and Listen if you wish to change your current audio source to InControl Apps. You'll be presented with the InControl Apps home screen, where all the compatible apps installed on your smartphone will be displayed. The icon on the left can be pressed at any time to return to the screen. A suite of apps is provided by default to interact with your device content. This includes calendar, contact, and music. Several useful third-party apps can be installed to enhance your experience of the InControl system, and this will grow as more apps become supported over time. Scroll through the list and select the app you would like to install. You'll be redirected to a relevant page, the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app on your handset and accept all the necessary permissions or create any relevant accounts as prompted. Your chosen app will automatically appear on the InControl Apps page on the vehicle's touchscreen when you next connect your smartphone. For further information, visit InControl Apps page at londonlandrover.ca. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.